Hi, it's Amanda, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite holiday party appetizers. You can serve this before a meal, or you can just serve it at one of your cocktail parties. It's bacon wrapped dates, and it's easy AF. All right, so we have pitted medjool dates. The medjool dates are just the bigger, meatier ones, and standard, everyday, delicious bacon. You take the date. This is about half of a slice of bacon. You put it at the bottom of your slice, and then you just roll it up. The only trick to this is to make sure that the seam, meaning the end of the bacon, is at the bottom when you put it on the tray, and that just seals when it cooks. Lather, rinse, repeat. We're just going to keep doing this over and over. Just wrap that date, and it seems like a lot of bacon at first, but the bacon is going to shrink when it cooks, and it's going to get crispy and fatty and delicious. And these are salty and sweet. What will happen is the bacon's going to be crisp, the date's going to be tender and juicy. Salty and sweet is one of my favorite flavor combinations. It is a crowd pleaser. You could also stuff these. Since they're pitted, they have a little cavity that's ready to be stuffed with either cream cheese or goat cheese or any one of your favorite cheeses that would go great inside of here, something creamy. Even a little bit of blue cheese would be delicious. Get creative with it. These are so easy that you can put a twist on it. I wanted you to see the basics first. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these in a 425-degree oven, high heat, because I just really want to crisp the bacon and cook them until they're crispy and ready to serve. Oh yeah, if you could smell this crispy bacon wafting smell through the whole apartment. They're crunchy, they're rendered of the bacon fat. They shrunk a little bit. They caramelize a little because the dates have so much delicious sugar in them. And we're just going to go right onto our platter. And then we're going to put a toothpick in them for easy serving. I can hear them sizzling. And that really is it. They're ready to go. It's a 2-bite little appetizer. And your guests are going to be so happy. These go great with champagne, any cocktail that you make that's fresh and bright, that's salty, that's sweet, that's creamy. I'm going to cut one in half. Oh, did you hear that crispy, crunchy bacon on the outside, date on the inside? So good. So good. And a mouthful of date. It's easy AF.